Welcome. If you want to transfer data to your Ulefone Note 7P from other Android smartphone, at the first, on the both devices you have to get application to transfer data. So let's enter for the Play Store, click on search pool and type SendAnywhere. We are going to use this application. Let's install this app on the both smartphones. Let's open. And right now we have to accept all the stuff, terms and privacy policy, all the notification that pops on the screen. And right now, as you can see, we can send here photos, video, audio, apps, contacts, if we grant permission, and also other files. So we can send almost everything, right? And it's very important to be in the send mode in this smartphone, and on our Note 7P we have to move to the receive. But at the first, let's open up, accept the same things that on the second device, and then move to the receive right here. Right now, select data that you want to send from this smartphone to your Note 7P. Of course, it's only example, so I will show you how it looks on this simple one picture. If you want to get other things, you have to just move here and just select. So, if you select everything, you have to click on the send. And right now, we have to input this key right here. So tap here on this pool and go with 240072 and click on the receive. Now we have to wait. And as you can see, the transfer is complete. So right now let's check if this photo was successfully transferred to our Note 7P. I think it will be in the images probably. And yes, here it is. So as you can see, the transfer is very simple. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.